Welcome back. You're joining us on NewsX. Our big focus: security measures have been ramped up in Jammu and Kashmir, with forces ensuring measures to tackle any untoward situation. This follows a spate of ceasefire violations by Pakistan along the LOC for 5 consecutive days. Additional security checkpoints have been established along the line of control now in Uri. Additional forces have also been deployed at the Muzaffarabad-Srinagar highway as well. A high alert has been sounded along the LOC in the Akhnur sector, where Pakistan violated the ceasefire. The security forces, border police post and Nakas are carrying out frisking of everyone at the border. Brian Thomas is joining us live from Pahalgam for more details on this big story. Brian, take us through where all this additional security has been deployed in Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, clearly there have been many such additional security that have been beefed up ahead in the Baisara area. Talk about North Kashmir, you talk about Baramulla, Bandipora or Kupwara. Now, very importantly, we are at the Pahalgam itself. Ahead, if you go 2 kilometers ahead, you see the Baisara. There is the Baisara area, Baisara Meadow area, where securities have been ramped up. Even places in Bandipora, Kupwara, there have been BSF, CRPF, GNK police have been deployed also with sophisticated weapons and equipments, all on highways itself. On border tourist destination like Kaman Post, Kairan, Gurez Valley also has been shut by the authorities after the attack. Even intense counter terrorism operations are also underway at various places in GNK. Even though, yes, no specific input about tapping of terrorists have been informed as of now. But if we talk about this very place, yes, the tourists have started to flock. The tourists have started to come here. So there is a bustling amount of tourists that are here. But ahead, if you go 2 kilometers ahead, if you go, you get to see the Baisara, where additional deployment of forces have been done. They are even doing
we're learning even in Akhnur, Brian, a high alert has been sounded at the LOC. Is that correct? Also at Uri and Muzaffarabad Srinagar highway, we're seeing more security and more checkposts.
Clearly, there have been 33 locations as such in the Jammu and Kashmir area where securities have been completely ramped up. Talk about Akhnur, you talk about North Kashmir, you talk about Kupwara, you talk about, Uri, Baramulla. All these places, the additional security forces with sophisticated weapons and equipments have been deployed to ensure, and they are working round the clock 24/7 to keep peace in the region, to keep a vigil in the region. So they have been working 24/7 in shifts itself to maintain a vigil. Every 100 meters, 200 meters also on highways and checkposts also. There have been CRPF Jawans, GNK police also to maintain that, yes, there is peace among the region. And also in and around this very area, that is where we are, Pahalgam itself, the tourists that are here, there have been securities that have been beefed up here itself so that the tourists can enjoy their vacation in normalcy, so that they do not have the fear itself, and they are confident on the security forces itself for that.